Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing HughesNet, which is a satellite internet provider that is known for the nationwide availability and reliable service in rural areas. But before we begin, you just have to check out the link in the description to explore HughesNet's plans and see if it is available in your area. So HughesNet is a satellite internet provider that is designed for rural and remote areas where the traditional broadband options are limited. It actually offers you the consistent speeds, data saving features, and nationwide coverage. If I talk about its pros, so you are going to get it almost everywhere. It is great for rural areas with no fiber or cable options, so the availability is almost everywhere. It has reliable performance, so you are going to get consistent speeds even in the remote locations. You will also get bonus data zones, so it will give you extra data during off peak hours for the maximize usage. There is no hard data limits, so the speeds slow after exceeding limits but no overage fees. So if I talk about the cons, so the satellite internet has a slight delay which may not be ideal for gamers. So if you do gaming, this probably is not for you. It also has slower speeds versus fibers, so speeds are good for basic use but not as fast as cable or fibers. So if you live in the rural or the remote area and if you need a reliable internet provider, HughesNet is a solid choice. It ensures consistent connectivity where other providers fall short, making it one of the best satellite internet options available. So if you want to check if it is available in your area or not, you can just use the link in the description. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.